Hi guys, welcome to Make It in Minutes Monday. My name is Nancy and I am one half of Stamping Before Anything Else. Today we're going to be making this cute card right here. We're using a base of Highland Heather, but I wanted to try the base in the basic white. So we're going to do the base card in white today, but everything else is going to be the same. And so let's get started. These are the supplies that you're going to be needing. We're going to be using the Wishing You the Happiest of Birthdays right here, which I already have mounted. These colorful pearls and our stitched rectangles. We're going to be using the third from the largest rectangle. Set that aside. Our Highland Heather ink and our Tombow glue. So to get started, we are going to bring in our bone folder. Take our basic white cardstock and just burnish it. Fold it in half. Set that aside. I've got two pieces. One we're going to be doing stamping on. We're going to do that right away. Take our Highland Heather ink and just go over the top, gently pressing all over the image. You don't want to squish it down too hard, otherwise you'll get ink all over the place. Okay, I think I got it good. And then we're going to take and stamp this on one of our pieces. Then I'm going to take our die that we picked and we're going to die cut this piece out. Now, for now, I like to use Post-it notes or any other sticky, maybe Tombow, or not Tombow, but washi tape to hold these dies in place so that it doesn't move when I die cut. So we'll bring our die cutting machine. All right, so now we're going to bring in, now you do not need to do this, but I had an extra piece of white that I'm just going to put on the inside. Again, you don't have to, you can just write on the inside, but since I have this piece cut, I'm going to put it on the inside of my card. Now for the front, I'm going to go ahead and take and glue all my pieces together before I adhere them onto the front. So like this one here is going to be really tiny, skinny edges all the way around, and that's where it's helpful to have the Tombow. Okay, now we're going to do the same with this stamped image we did. Glue it onto our other piece. All right, now we're ready to adhere the big piece onto the front of the cardstock. Okay, now we're going to bring in some dimensionals and we're going to pop this up. This just adds a little bit of depth on it. Now, last, we're going to just bring in a little bit of sparkle or a little bit of accent. We're going to be using these pearls from the main catalog. And I'm just going to pop on a couple of these. So we have the white card base and the Highland Heather card base. Let us know in the comments which base you like the best. Also, if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and to subscribe to our channel for more projects and inspiration. Plus, if you want 5 free card tutorials and weekly crafting inspiration, make sure you're subscribed to our newsletter. You can find the link to subscribe in the description of this video. Thanks!